Hi guys, it's Seat from Warthog Defense. Welcome to our newest update on the situation in Ukraine. Remember the Ukrainian Crimean bridgehead over the Dnipro River? Well, it's still on. Russians are trying to destroy it, but with very little success. And we are seeing the same story there. Russians are sending hundreds of men into endless meat assaults with very little success. We have already said that Warthog Defense didn't report about the alleged death of the Chief of Staff of the Russian Armed Forces Valery Gerasimov, and that was a good call. There was no confirmation of a death strike, and we have concluded that it's better to stay relevant than to run for clicks on the channel. We will stay the same way, and let's see the update.
Ukrainian bridgehead at Crimean still stands, and all Russian attempts to dislodge it are futile. Here we have a great update on Russian failed assaults. As usual, Putin is destroying his own troops with his meat grinder tactics. Satellite images have confirmed yesterday's Warthog Defense report about a Ukrainian strike which destroyed ammunition warehouses in occupied Crimea on January 4th. The Strategic Communications Directorate of Ukraine's armed forces announced on January 5th that Ukrainian forces had struck Russian ammunition warehouses in northern Crimea the previous day. The satellite image shared by HUR appears to show damage to 3 buildings and 2 other targets, which HUR said were Russian military radar systems. The news was one of a recent string of reports on successful hits against Russian positions on the peninsula, with Ukraine aiming to disrupt Russia's military logistics and weaken its southern defenses. These operations are very specific, but they are not separate, said Andrei Chernik, a HUR representative, on January 5th. They are part of a single plan, a single idea. The Ukrainian armed forces also reported a successful strike on a Russian command post near Sevastopol on January 4th. More explosions were reported in Crimea on January 5th, and Russian occupation authorities closed down traffic on the Crimean bridge. The Russian Defense Ministry later claimed that air defense shot down 4 Ukrainian missiles shortly after midnight on January 6th. This video shows Russian soldiers being held in a pit. Some are punished for alcohol abuse, and some for refusing to go to their positions. To leave the pit, commanders demand to pay an amount ranging from $1,150 to $11,000 a head. Reportedly, some soldiers have been there for months. Only few get out of there, those who can sell an apartment or a car. The video was filmed by commanders of Russian soldier slaves in the Bakhmut direction, Donetsk region. Logistics is a key in modern warfare, so it's a key to destroying enemies' trucks and supply chains. This is surely one of the most surreal moments of the war yet. Scott Ritter has turned up in Chechnya and spoken in broken Russian to thousands of Kadyrov's fighters about his efforts to strengthen the friendship between Chechnya and America.
Я хочу предоставить слово нашему уважаемому гостю.
Большое спасибо, ваш президент, ваш командир, вашим офицерам и солдат Чечни. Это моя второй раз в Чечне. Мой первый раз, когда человек говорит, почему вы хотите визитить Чечню? Я говорю, надо визитить. Почему? Потому что сейчас вся Америка, вся Европа, люди только знают, когда я говорю Чечня, она думает, это страшный человек. Но страшно не хорошо, страшно плохо. Это неправда. Когда я визитный, я смотрел чеченские люди, самые хорошие люди. Люди хотят жить в мир. Люди хотят дружба, все мир. Вы страшный солдат. Я знаю вашу историю. Я знаю, вы героем Мариуполь. Я знаю, вы героем Луганск, Донецк, Херсон, Запорожье. Я знаю тоже, вы мужик, человек, хочет семья, хочет детки, хочет жизнь, не хочет борьба. Но сейчас работать надо. Вы работаете, страшно работаете. Но главный момент будет, когда войны кончились. И вы вернутся дома, и ружье, до свидания, семье, детки есть. Это будет главный момент. Это потому, что я здесь. Я хочу работать в дружба между Чечней и Америкой. Америка неплохо место. Американские люди, как вы, хорошие люди. Государство — это другой вопрос, это политика. Я не политик. Я солдат, как вы. Я думаю, вы будете выиграть вашу работу. Я знаю. И когда все, я хочу, чтобы все чеченские солдаты вернулись дома и нормальная жизнь. Еще один раз большое спасибо. Я очень рад здесь. Я очень рад с вами познакомиться.
A Ukrainian boy runs out from his home into the bitter cold, just wearing his t-shirt to say goodbye to his dad a second time, but it is too late. He is already heading back to the front lines. Russia must be stopped.
Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, become our members, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.